She did not realize how important an emergency fund was until life forced her to slow down. Standing near a waterfall deep in the forest, she felt how quickly life can change, and how unprepared she used to be. A year ago, she lived from paycheck to paycheck. Every unexpected expense felt like a storm she could not control. A medical bill, a broken laptop, a sudden job change, each one pushed her deeper into stress. She kept telling herself she would start saving next month, but next month never came. One morning at a quiet beach, she realized she wanted her finances to feel calm and steady, just like the waves in front of her. She made a simple decision to build an emergency fund, even if she had to start small. Her first goal was 1 week of expenses. She cut a few small habits, tracked her spending, and saved whatever she could. Slowly, her emergency fund grew from 1 week to 2, then to a full month. It was not fast, but it was steady. Every small amount she saved became a tiny piece of confidence. There were days she felt discouraged. Saving was not easy. But every time she wanted to give up, she reminded herself that growth takes time. Just like the forest around her, small steps eventually become something beautiful. Months later, she reached 3 months of savings. For the first time, she felt safe. She did not fear unexpected bills anymore. Her emergency fund became her safety net, her confidence, her peace of mind. If you found this helpful, like and follow. Check my website for useful templates that can help you manage your money with more clarity and confidence.